Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to check watch history on TikTok. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. To view history, you have to click on your profile. After that, click on top right 3 lines. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Center. Now tap Watch History. Now here you can see my all recently watched videos. In this way you can check your watch history on TikTok. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.